Hello and welcome back to Mirror Interpretation Todorova. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Me and Anna are creating these videos. This is gonna be called a promo video. And this is gonna be a medical terminology video where you're gonna be able to see medical terminology related to coronary artery disease. Forgive me, I got too excited and I closed the slides. You can go ahead and introduce yourself, Miss Anna.
Hello, everyone. My name is Anna. I'm an English-Russian translator. I have an honors degree in English linguistics, and I've been doing translations for over 8 years now as a freelancer.
So you are going to see a promo video. This is going to be a medical terminology video related to coronary artery disease, a Russian English. The total class contain 5 videos, 100 terminology each. And you're going to see just one of those videos. If you like to purchase the entire class, you can click on the link below this video where you can find more information about it. Coronary artery disease.
Ишемическая болезнь сердца, ИБС.
Coronary artery disease.
Ишемическая болезнь сердца, ИБС.
Oxygen-rich blood.
Кровь, богатая кислородом.
Oxygen-rich blood.
Кровь, богатая кислородом.
Condition.
Состояние, заболевание, расстройство.
Narrowing.
Сужение.
Narrowing.
Сужение.
Blockage.
Закупорка.
Blockage.
Закупорка.
Plaque build up.
Накопление бляшек.
Plaque build up.
Накопление бляшек.
Supply.
Снабжать, поставлять.
Supply.
Снабжать, поставлять.
Limit.
Лимит, ограничение, ограничивать.
Limit.
Лимит, ограничение, ограничивать.
Main forms.
Основные формы.
Stable ischemic heart disease.
Стабильная ишемическая болезнь сердца. Стабильная стенокардия.
Stable ischemic heart disease.
Стабильная ишемическая болезнь сердца. Стабильная стенокардия.
Acute coronary syndrome.
Острый коронарный синдром.
Acute coronary syndrome.
Острый коронарный синдром.
Medical emergency.
Неотложная медицинская помощь.
Medical emergency.
Неотложная медицинская помощь.
Suddenly ruptures.
Внезапно разрывается или отрывается.
Suddenly ruptures.
Внезапно разрывается или отрывается.
A blood clot.
Ромб, сгусток крови.
Blood clot.
Тромб, сгусток крови.
And here I stop to share with you guys because I don't want to give you the whole thing for free, but just show you what is that training about. And now I'm gonna share with you who is the creators of this amazing, amazing work that you're seeing right now. This is me, of course, and Miss Anna. The text is written by me, design slides and paintings by me. I'm a Bulgarian, Italian, a Russian, Macedonian interpreter. And if you want to find me, you can find me in LinkedIn under Ioana Todorova, or you can find the classes on thinkific.com, Meet Interpretations, or you can find for me Mirror Interpretation Todorova on YouTube channel. Go ahead, Anna.
My name is Anna Vanina. I'm an English-Russian translator. You can find my profile on Upwork and check out my reviews. You can just type Anna V Translator Upwork and you'll find it. You can also message me on LinkedIn or vanusha.sk@gmail.com if you want my services.
And thank you guys for being here. This is it. I hope you enjoyed this free video on YouTube. And if you like, you can purchase the course once again, clicking on the link below this video. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.